Hello, and let us start our discussion regarding the Internet Protocol Television. So, the topic of today's discussion is Internet Protocol Television, and I am the presenter, Mrs. Suvarna Kadam. So, let us start with the discussion of IPTV. What do you mean by IPTV? So, IPTV is defined as a multimedia services such as television, audio, text, graphics, data delivered over IP-based network managed to provide the required level of quality of service and experience security, interactivity, and reliability. So this is the definition of Internet Protocol Television. Now, to get the Internet Protocol Television, you need the some key parts, and that key parts are explained as follows. The first is the viewing device or adapters. You are not supposed to get whatever Internet Protocol contains on your normal television, so you need a dedicated viewing device. Okay. The second is a broadband access provider. Third is the Internet Protocol television service providers, and fourth is the media content provider. So these are nothing but the basic needs when you are dealing with the Internet Protocol television. So viewing devices or adapters. So here there is an introduction to the Internet Protocol television. As you can see here, either dedicated Internet Protocol televisions will be there. Normal televisions can be connected with the analog television adapters. Okay, so which will convert it into, like, digital contents will be converted, IP contents will be converted into the normal contents and can be viewed on the normal television. Multimedia computers, directly you can watch Internet Protocol television. Laptop computers or personal device assistants. Multimedia mobile telephone. So these are nothing but the viewing devices or adapters. Next is the broadband access provider. So who can provide the access to this particular broadband? Either telephone lines, you know, that is a digital subscribers line, synchronous digital subscriber lines, virtual digital subscriber lines, ठीक है, and that can be given to the broadband wireless or 3G wireless networks, ठीक है. Next is the cable lines. Cable modems will be there. Then you are having a power lines. You can get the broadband access through power lines, and you will have a power line modems, and you can connect this broadband data connections here to your internet televisions, ठीक है. So IP television service providers, what is the task of this particular internet protocol service provider? So if you see, this is your television, this is adapter. Now if I'm taking IP television, direct connections will be there. You are having the content provider here, ठीक है. यहाँ से आपका जो गेटवे से डाटा जाता है, goes to the media selector, goes to the internet. Now this internet television service providers task will be, or I can say internet television service provider will have a gatekeeper. So based on the billing information or based on the features you are requiring, the billing will be generated, okay. This gateways will be only clear or will have a access when you are having a clearing house kind of things over there. So either you are going for a independent contents, you can go on the video on demand, or a network television. So these are the three gateways. This will be the media selector. The plan which you are taking to see the internet protocol television, the media selector will select that gateway only and will be put it on the internet, and then you can view that contents here. So आपके जो इंटरनेट टेलीविजन सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है, उसका काम है जो भी आपके फीचर्स है उसका टेक केयर करना और आपका बिलिंग इंफॉर्मेशन maintain karna, and just give the service which for which you are going for. Next one is nothing but the internet television media content provider. So if you categorize these content providers, one is the traditional television content and another one is the new internet protocol television content. So you can see traditional contents, movie, news, sports, television shows, and in the new internet protocol television content, you are having a personal media, global television, you are having interactive media, you are having a public videos, you are having a private video. So this is the difference between your television traditional television content and a new television content. Now more IPTV channels, you can see here this mega IPTV companies, over 10,000 channels are possible, and this is nothing but the billing or sparky units available, account ID, and you can say this is for different. So like Portugal 32, say Qatar you are having 7 channels, something like. So overall if we see, more than 10,000 channels are there. Now here you can see, as we have seen the internet television, how to select the plan. So if you're going for the DSL TV, you are having a guaranteed quality and the local channels. So you can say this is nothing but the only local channels. Here cheap TV, medium bandwidth, medium quality, more free channels. Premium TV, you are having a high quality, you are having a movie channels. This is the IP data network, and then you are supposed to select which one you want. You want a this DSL TV, you want a cheap TV, you want a premium TV. Typical IPTV network design. So if you see here, you are having the service providers here. So this is, I can say, national head end. This is a core network. Now this national video service node will be connected to the regional head ends. Okay, so you are having a mains and then you can add some local contents in that. So this is the video service node. Then regional head ends are connected. Then this is the access network. Access network is again connected to the DSLAM and then to the set top box your normal television. Okay, so this is the consumer premises. So I can categorize this typical IPTV network in the national head end, then a regional head end, and then the customer premises with the help of core network and the access network. So if you want to categorize IPTV processes, the first will be the content production, where the actual program production takes place. Content aggregation, where this contents like TV station से कुछ contents यहाँ पे एग्रीगेट किए जाएंगे. Then IPTV service providers, content delivery, and then TV sets, that actual content reproduction, and you are the end user. So you can say the IPTV content delivery, TV head end, IPTV middleware, video on demand systems, media content protection systems, and then IP set top box. So this is nothing but you can say how this IPTV process takes place. What is the architecture of the IPTV? So content source, that is video on demand source and encoder, broadcast source and encoder. So this will be the content sources that will be given to the service nodes. So these are the IPTV service node, which includes VOD servers and which includes the broadcast servers. Okay. Then it is given to the wide area distribution network, whereas it is having a core and access network. And then finally it goes to the customer. So this is a customer premises equipment and home networking, and this is the IPTV. Now all these things are governed with the service management and operations. So this is the actual architecture of the internet protocol television. So first is the content source, either VOD source and encode, broadcast source and encode, then goes to the service nodes, goes to the wide area distribution network, and finally it goes to the consumer premises. Now you can see it goes in the one way, but these two are having a two-way communications. Customer can demand anything from this wide area distribution network. Okay. Now this is the content network. As I have seen, architecture of your internet protocol television, the contents may be news, maybe sports, maybe movies. It goes to the head end, where you are having a media switch receiver, that is decoder section, प्लेआउट शेड्यूलर, मीडिया स्टोरेज, आप स्टोर करिए बाद में ही दे दीजिए. दिस इज अ एनकोडर और मॉड्यूलेटर. इट गोज टू द, you can say, home network through the distribution network. So whatever distribution network they have shown is with the fiber rings. So the major parts in the internet protocol television is the content network, head end, distribution network, and the home network. So what actually happens in the head end? Your things comes either off air receiver or with the receiver. Say with the dish antennas, you are receiving the things. You are having a switcher, you are having a control and a media storage. So my control will like this play out scheduler will schedule the play out depending on the requirement. So this will be the control on that particular. So whatever requirement is there, it will be taken from the media storage, given to the, you can say, to this particular gateway. This is the switcher, this is the encoder, then it is the switch, and then you can go with the program stream packets depending on what request your consumer is asking for, or which request your consumer has put it there. Okay, so this is the head end. Now what is the functions of the IPTV head end? Acquiring video from different sources, video encoding, video on demand delivering, content securities, that is content और कंडीशनल एक्सेस सिस्टम जिसके लिए पे कर रहे हैं वही उसको देना है. डिजिटल राइट्स मैनेजमेंट, देन ईपीजी सर्वर्स, OBSS, that is subscribers management system. So here you can see live television, video on demand, MPG encoder के साथ वो encode होता है. Then it goes to the media streamer. Then it goes to the CAS, that is a conditional access system and digital right management. ठीक है. So that will be governed by the subscriber management system. ठीक है. And this is the MPEG. And finally the IP television delivery network takes that data. ठीक है. Internet protocol television Now, as we have already seen that Internet Protocol Television is a service that provides television programming and other video contents using TCP/IP protocol suite as opposed to the traditional cable or satellite signals. So we can see here IP television, some features of Internet Protocol Television. IPTV contents is often deliver over a managed or dedicated networks compared to the public internet or private network gives network operators more control over the video traffic, by extension the ability to ensure quality of service, uptime and reliability. So in the traditional television delivery, all programming is broadcast simultaneously. The available program signal flow downstream and the viewer selects a program by changing the channel. An IPTV service by contrast sends only one program at a time. Content remains on the service provider's network and only the program the customer selects is to send to the residences. When a viewer changes the channel, a new stream is transmitted from the provider's server directly to the viewer. Like a cable television, Internet Protocol Television requires a set-top box or other consumer premises devices. IPTV primarily uses IP multicasting with the Internet Group Management Protocol, that is IGMP, for live television broadcast and real-time streaming protocol for on-demand programs. Other common protocols include real-time messaging protocol, that is RDMP, and hypertext transfer protocol. So these are the features. Now how IPTV works: Internet Protocol Network, home gateway, and this goes to the set-top box and then to the television. If you are having an internet devices or internet protocol televisions, you can directly connect that devices there. Types of the internet protocol television: because IPTV uses a packet based delivery system, it can be bundled with other IP based services such as voice over internet protocol and a high speed internet. The use of internet protocol also enables provider to support various other services and applications such as video on demand, in program messaging and time shifting, a broad term of services that allows viewer to consume contents other ways beside live broadcast, that is digital recording, on demand video, and the ability to rewind or restart a live program already in process. IPTV competes with another delivery model known as internet TV, which refers to the television content distributed through a website. So IPTV providers include a wide range of companies, from large network operators like Verizon with the FiOS services and massive companies like Google, Apple and Microsoft, to vendors that include Sony and a wide variety of smaller or companies, sometimes specializing in a certain type of content delivered over a broadband internet protocol or internet connection. So this is all about the internet protocol television. We have seen architecture, we have seen some of the features, we have seen the definition and what includes in the internet protocol television. So we will stop here regarding internet protocol television. In the next session, we will talk about the mobile television. So thank you.